हेलो फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज़ ट्विंकल एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो फ्रेंड्स, ये बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण प्रश्न है। इनको आप लोगों को ध्यान से देखना है, एक एक क्वेश्चन, क्योंकि ये सीडीपी से रिलेटेड है। और ये प्रश्न आप देख लेंगे तो आप लोगों को एग्ज़ाम देने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा। 30/30 स्कोर कर सकते हैं अपने एग्ज़ाम में। तो चलिए सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट करती हूँ मैं। इससे पहले यदि अपने चैनल पर नया, चैनल को लाइक सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करना बिल्कुल ना भूलिएगा। ये बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण प्रश्न है, ठीक है, इसको स्किप बिल्कुल ना करिएगा। स्टार्ट करते हैं अपने सबसे पहले प्रश्न से, जो कि है टीचर्स हु वर्क सोशल बेस्ड असेसमेंट। तो उसको क्या कहते हैं? तो इसमें ऑप्शन 4 सही है, फील अ सेंस ऑफ ओनरशिप फॉर द सिस्टम। अब इसमें नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, डिडक्टिव रीजनिंग इन्वॉल्व्स। तो डिडक्टिव रीजनिंग इन्वॉल्व्स व्हाट? जनरल टू पर्टिकुलर। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्किल्स इज एसोसिएटेड विद इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस? एम्पथाइजिंग यानी कि अंडरस्टैंडिंग, जिसका मतलब होता है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ सूटेबल फॉर्मेटिव असेसमेंट टास्क? तो सूटेबल फॉर्मेटिव असेसमेंट टास्क जो है रैंकिंग ऑफ द स्टूडेंट। द असेसमेंट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स कैन बी यूज बाई टीचर इन teaching to develop insight into changing the teaching approach according to learners need. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, which one of the following provides information about roles and behaviors which are acceptable in a group during early childhood period, that is parents and siblings? Which of the following age groups falls under later childhood category? 6 से 11 साल के बच्चे। Arjaf says that language development is influenced by one's innate predisposition, while Sonali feels that it's because of environment. This discussion between Arjaf and Sonali is about nature and nurture debate. In Lawrence Kohler-Berg theory, which level signifies the absence of morality in true sense? That is level 1, option 3. Next comes to next question. Which one of the following is not correct for the progressive model of socialization of children? So the correct option is children accept what they are offered by school irrespective of their social background. फ्रेंड्स, मेरे चैनल को ज्वाइन करिए, क्योंकि मैं क्लासेस दे रही हूँ। मैंने प्रॉपर प्लेलिस्ट बना रखी है। आप लोग प्लेलिस्ट से सभी चीज़ें अकॉर्डिंगली देख सकते हैं, पूरे सिलेबस के अकॉर्डिंग। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, इन लर्निंग असेसमेंट इज असेंशियल फॉर मोटिवेशन। जब हम कोई चीज़ लर्न करते हैं तो असेसमेंट क्या ज़रूरत करता है? मोटिवेट करता है हमें, ठीक है। अब बात करें नेक्स्ट, दैट इज़ फिटिंग न्यू इन्फॉर्मेशन इन एग्जिस्टिंग स्कीम्स इज नोन एज असिमिलेशन। जब हम एग्जिस्टिंग नॉलेज में किसी नई नॉलेज को फिट करते हैं, ठीक है, तो उसे कहते हैं असिमिलेशन। We all differ in terms of our intelligence, motivation, interest. This principle refers to individual difference. Then comes to next question. According to Piaget theory, which one of the following will not influence one's cognitive development, that is social experience? Which of the following do not imply practical intelligence in triarchic theory, that is thinking practically about oneself day? Then comes to next question, that is question number 36, that is which one of the following is a characteristic of Kohler-Berg stage of moral development? So its correct answer will be your 36 correct answer is teacher centric. In the context of language development, which of the following areas was underestimated by Piaget? सॉरी, 36 का जो आंसर है वो है यूनिवर्सल सीक्वेंस ऑफ स्टेज अक्रॉस ऑल कल्चर्स, और जो 37 का आंसर है वो होगा आप लोगों का टीचर्स वर्क, दैट इज सोशल constructivist. Okay, in context of language development, which of the following areas were under by the Piaget? So it's egocentric speech. Now comes to next questions, that is your question number 39. So 39 question number says, as an 11-year-old scores on Stanford Binet intelligence scale is 130. By assuming it 100 is a normal probability curve and calculate the percentage of 11-year-old children. So what will be the percentage of 11-year-old children? The correct option will be answer 3, 98%. Which of the following observations supports Howard Gardner's theory of multiple intelligence? So, damage to one's part to brains affects only a particular ability, sparing others. Which one of the following is a critique of theory of multiple intelligence? Multiple intelligence are the only the talent present in intelligence as whole. Which one of the following pair is least likely to be correct match? So in this the correct answer will be your language is a stimuli and environment, that is B.F. Skinner, that is option 4. Then comes to next question. Differentiated instruction is so the correct option is option number 1, using a variety of groupings to meet students. Then 44, which one of the following is correctly matched? So 44, correct answer is answer 3, that is social development and environment. Then socialization includes cultural transmission and it includes 40. So 45 right answer is option 2, development of individual personality. Then comes to Karna saying does not pay income tax despite legal procedures and expenses. He thinks that he cannot support a corrupt government which spends millions of rupees in building unnecessary dams. He is probably in which of the Kohlberg stages? So the correct option is he is in post-conventional stage. Next question. Language development of children depends upon all of the above: better socio, better schooling, freedom of expression, and all of the above is the correct answer. Then assimilation is the other name of exposition. Correct form of education in recent situation is all, yani co-education, technical educational, moral and ideal education. Then comes to 51, main objective of cardinal principle for education is we should see the education with present situation. Hindi should be taught in schools. Why? Because Hindi is our national language. How does discipline help in education? Internal qualities are developed in balanced way. Evaluation is helpful for a teacher in which of the following ways? So all of the above. It opens new avenues, can categorize his pupil, a teacher can immediate feedback, and all of the above. Which of the following statement cannot be considered as feature of process of learning? So educational institutions are only place where learning takes place. This option is correct. Then comes to 56. Which of the following is not a characteristic of evaluation? So the correct option is option 3. It is done at the end of the task. Next question. Now see the another question, that is 58 question number. By which age language develops in children? It's by birth. So one option is correct. By which age habit develops in children? By the age of birth. Which habit is found more in childhood? मिमिक्रिंग, मतलब बच्चा एक दूसरे को देख कर मिमिक्र करने लगता है, मतलब वो कॉपी करने लगता है. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ लर्निंग? ऑप्शन 3, दैट इज चेंज इन बिहेवियर बाय एक्सपीरियंस. देन कम्स लर्निंग इज अ प्रोसेस इन विच in which learning proceeds lifelong. Next question. Child development is a process. So child development is a process of continuous, gradual, ongoing process. What is the meaning of child development? So meaning of child development is overall development of child. Then comes to 65. Which is the best method of study of child behavior? That is personal study method. What is meaning of growth? Change related to measurement. Then next question. See now